Bitcoin just lost half its value in 4 months. $1.2 trillion gone. From an all-time high of 126,000 down to 60,000. The worst crash since FTX in 2022. 3 a.m. You check your phone and see your portfolio bleeding red. October last year, Bitcoin hit its all-time high. Everyone thought 200,000 was next. And now February this year, the same coin lost more than half its value. $1.2 trillion vanished from the crypto market in just 4 months.
Investors are running, not just a few, but millions of them at once.
October, ATH celebration party. February, crypto funeral.
The fear and greed index is at 11. Extreme fear, the lowest in months.
The crypto graveyard is getting a fresh grave. FTX, Luna, Terra, 3AC. And now? Some analysts predict Bitcoin could fall to $38,000. You heard that right.
So is this the end? Or just a new chapter?
Meet Mike, 28 years old, works in tech, started investing in crypto last year. He put in $50,000, years of savings, now worth $23,000. At work, Mike can't focus. His mind keeps drifting to that red number on his screen. 3 a.m. Mike is still awake, staring at the ceiling, phone buzzing with price alerts.
Bitcoin down another 8%. Notification at 3:12 a.m. Who can sleep?
Morning. Mike can't eat. Coffee going cold. Phone face down. Too scared to look. And Mike isn't alone. Millions of people are going through the exact same thing. 4 people, 4 ages, 4 different lives. But the same look. Anxiety.
Social media is flooded. Panic posts, lost screenshots, and crying emojis everywhere. Hashtag crypto winter is trending, with fire and skull emojis. Reddit Wall Street bets flooded with loss porn. People competing to show how much they lost.
YouTube full of videos. I lost everything. Crypto is dead. Trust no one. Texting friends. Did you sell yet? Seen. But no reply. Family dinner. Awkward silence when uncle asks, "How's that Bitcoin doing?" No one speaks. Cow workers whispering at the water cooler about the IT guy who invested in crypto and is down big. Bank still auto-withdrawing. Weekly DCA. Even though the market is collapsing. Finger hovering over the sell button. Trembling. Can't press it. If I sell, it's real. Around the world, from America to Asia, everyone is panic selling at the same time. CNBC reports, crypto winter, full capitulation mode, complete surrender. But instead of panicking, let's understand what's really happening. It all starts with one name, Kevin Warsh, Trump's nominee for the new Fed chair.
The Fed is keeping rates high, longer than everyone expected, higher for longer, high and long.
May this year, Powell leaves, Warsh takes over, and he's known as a hawk.
Dovish means supporting markets, hawkish means tightening. Warsh is hawkish, very hawkish.
When rates are high, money flows into dollars, out of risky assets, and crypto is the riskiest. Bitcoin ETFs, once the big hope, now seeing outflows, 1.6 billion out in January. Institutional investors, they have risk management rules. When they're down 10%, they must sell, no emotion.
What about retail investors? HODL, diamond hands. But institutions don't play that way. They have risk manuals, page after page, lose this much then sell, automatic. Trading bots, no emotions. See red numbers, hit sell. Leverage in the danger zone, margin calls everywhere, red alerts flashing. First domino falls, forced liquidation, price drops, more liquidations, death spiral. $2 billion liquidated this week. $2 billion! Real money from real people.
Order book thin as paper, no buyers, price in free fall, no floor.
Whales, wallets holding thousands of Bitcoin, they're selling, waves across the market.
OGs from 2015, held for 8 years, now even they're surrendering, selling everything. Remember digital gold, the safe haven narrative? Beautiful story, but not true.
Same period last year to now, Gold up 61%, Bitcoin down 35%. Gold has an umbrella. Bitcoin is getting soaked. Same storm, different outcomes. Geopolitical crises. Iran, Venezuela, Taiwan. Gold goes up. Bitcoin goes down. The harsh reality. Bitcoin moves like tech stocks, not like gold. Correlation chart. Bitcoin and Nasdaq, almost identical. Software ETF, down 20%. Fear that AI will destroy the software industry.
AI is replacing what humans code. Software companies losing value.
Claude Code and similar tools, casting shadows over the entire industry. Investors moving chess pieces, away from software and crypto, into gold and bonds, safer. Capital flowing out, from crypto, into treasuries, gold, cash, less risky assets. Treasury yields rising, safe haven label, glowing green, money flowing in. Strategy stock, Michael Saylor's company, down 17% because they hold too much Bitcoin. Saylor's still buying more, while everyone runs. He stands alone, by himself. But Strategy's average cost, now higher than market price. They're underwater, drowning. Coinbase down double digits. Trading volume, shrinking. Crypto exchanges, for sale signs up, wind blowing tumbleweeds, ghost town. Bitcoin mining rigs, power off, unprofitable label, not worth it. Mining difficulty dropping, miners giving up, losing money, can't compete. Hash rate world map, lights going dark, region by region, one by one. Ethereum also struggling, $2,100, heading toward $1,800. Altcoins, bloodbath, everything down from 10 to 40%. Solana hits two-year low, $88, ghost of its former high, haunting. XRP down 19% in a single day, giant red candle. Meme coins, deflating balloons, falling into the trash, party's over. NFTs, empty gallery, $1 million JPEGs, now no one's buying. DeFi TVL, total value locked, draining out, fast. Stablecoins being questioned, magnifying glass looking closer, cracks appearing, somewhere. The entire crypto ecosystem, infection spreading from inside out, contagion, everywhere. But wait, take off the panic goggles. Look at the actual data.
Tear this headline off. Underneath it says, "We've been here before."
2011, Bitcoin down 93%. 2015, 84. 2018, 83. 2022, 76. Every single time. Phoenix rising from the ashes. Every time. UBS says, this is normal volatility within a structural uptrend, not the end.
Rule 1. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Simple, but few follow it.
Mike put in 50,000, savings he needed, money he couldn't lose. Wrong from the start. Emotional thermometer, FOMO buying at top, panic selling at bottom. Both are wrong. Ask yourself, if crypto drops 50%, can you still sleep? Financial experts say maximum 5% in any concentrated asset, 5% only. CFP, Certified Financial Planner. They're trained to say this. Listen to them. Diversification tree, many branches, many fruits. Single branch tree, dead. In a storm, multicolor umbrella keeps you dry. Bitcoin only umbrella, soaked. Rule 2. Dollar cost average through the pain. Buy regularly, ignore the price. Buy small amounts. At each price level, average cost gets lower. Person who bought all at the top, crying. DCA buyer, calm. Turn on automatic mode. Set it and forget it. Forget about it. Live your life. Average crypto winter, 13 months. Clock is counting down. Bitwise CIO says, this is not a dip, this is a crypto winter, a real winter. Winter survival kit, time, patience, cash reserves, no leverage. Rule 3, have cash ready for the thaw. When ice melts, opportunity appears. Emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses.
separate from investment money. Opportunity fund, money set aside to buy when markets crash.
Previous crashes average 18 months to recover to old highs. 18 months.
Cash sitting on sidelines, watching the market tank, patiently waiting for the moment.
Buy trigger checklist. Fear index below 20, 60% from the high. Check. Rule 4. Understand what you're actually buying. Read the white paper. Don't just follow trends. 2 paths: speculation, casino dice, conviction, deep research. Ask yourself, why do I own this? What's the real use case? Answer it. Bitcoin fundamentals: fixed supply, decentralized, inflation hedge. Read Satoshi's white paper. Understand why it was created. Light bulb moment. Speculator looks at short-term charts. Investor looks at long-term thesis. 4-year cycle, halving then price appreciation. This pattern has repeated many times. Halving 2024, appreciation zone 2024 to 2026. We're in the middle of the cycle. Institutional adoption, ET approved, pension funds, sovereign wealth funds. Rule 5. Separate signal from noise. Put on noise-canceling headphones. Ignore the panic. Filter social media. Panic post to trash. Quality analysis. Save it.
Turn off price alerts. Turn off crypto Twitter. Peace. Focus on life.
Information diet pyramid. Research reports at base. News in middle. Social media at tiny top. Read UBS, Goldman, JP Morgan. Instead of Reddit. Quality over quantity. Analyst price targets. JPM 6003, UBS 6002. Still bullish long term.
Zoom out. Look at the 10-year chart. This dip. Just a tiny blip. Person who is panicking, now calmly adding to position. Perspective changes everything.
Rule 6. This too shall pass. Hourglass. Sand almost finished. Crypto winter survivors. From 2018, from 2022. Now they're wealthy. Average annual return, 20%, despite all the crashes.
Warren Buffett says, best time to buy is when others are fearful. Fear and greed cycle wheel. We're at extreme fear, approaching opportunity zone.
Shopping cart, crypto winter sale, Bitcoin 50% off, big discount.
Smart money, accumulating, while price is low, histogram turning green.
Time passes, month after month, portfolio recovering. Mike now, calmly DCA buying, normal life, bailed, no sleepless nights.
Mike's average cost, much lower now, because he bought during the crash.
Notifications ignored, phone face down. Mike is living his life.
Investment journal, buy dates, prices, reasons, clear documentation. Exit strategy, written down, take profit at what levels, have a plan. Balance, crypto a small slice, stocks, bonds, real estate, much bigger. Vision, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, short-term fades, long-term crystal clear. Stress test, passed, portfolio safe.
Community of long-term holders, supporting each other, through winter, together.
Spring thaw beginning. First green shoots, pushing through the ice. Hope.
Chart showing signal, first higher low, maybe, a reversal? Prepared investor, calmly entering position. Unprepared investor, still frozen. 6 rules, all on the board. Check, check, check. All complete. Key message, Bitcoin is not dead, just hibernating. 50% crashes are a feature, not a bug, each time it recovers. Remember Bitcoin shattering at the start? Now the pieces are coming back together, more beautiful than before. Your turn. Chess piece ready. Your decision. Action checklist. Review allocation. Check emotions. Prepare cash. Start now.
If this video helped, hit like and subscribe. Ring the bell.
Comment below, what are you doing during this crypto winter? Share it.
Next video, the AI spending crisis, why big tech is betting everything.
Thanks for watching. Winter will pass. Spring is coming. See you next time.